Hey guys, it's Again and I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, we'll be doing a mukbang. Not only that, I'll be asking my friends questions, random questions. Let's get into this video. First question, if you had the world's attention for 30 seconds, what would you say?
Stop the crime of violence and all of them. That one I said though.
Me personally, I just say subscribe to my channel, guys. Number 2, what's the funniest thing you've ever seen on the news?
Never been seen this yet.
House in the carpet here and Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet. I there here before my maiden take and we never see it yet. So anybody see them lie, cause we never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop, phone, everything. A 5 phone flood, I want back everybody. Name brand furniture.
Yes, that is exactly that one.
I don't think nobody can cross it. I'm the lady.
Can cross it, it's only Mr. Man and a fish like woman. Just me. Nobody can cross it, it's only who can manage the water. It's only something come over. Alright.
Do you save or spend?
Both.
I'm spending more than once here.
Okay.
Do you like to take a stand or just let things go?
Let things go. Let go.
I feel like certain something you have to talk. You have to take one stand for you.
Certain things.
So certain things you definitely can't just make it walk like that. What would you do with $10 million?
Invest in our house, start losing them. Start investing.
You may flip the money too.
You have to
Invest some, save some. And be careful. If your food is bad at a restaurant, would you say something and why?
Yes, I'm going to say something because
So you have to promise I don't want a restaurant.
something just when I'm going to say something because when I spend money for not taste bad food, 1. 2, they need to know the quality and what they are producing.
Yeah, because when you have a restaurant, feedback actually matters. Have you ever been to a 5-star resort? Yes.
That's what I did at that. Say you used to have that? What is that?
Still not for.
Oh.
Have you? What was your favorite toy growing up? Not to say my dad, she's my sister. Big up myself, Brittany. Still the palm my head.
I never had a favorite toy. Brittany?
Brittany Gilliam. What's your favorite TV show? What?
Really like Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. That is amazing.
I like Teen Wolf. Love most about yourself.
My personality.
That's my personality too. I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad to start these up. How often do you listen to music?
Every day. Every day. Every second minute.
Absolutely. Music is life.
Very true.
If you were to name your own song, what would it name? Pink and Purple.
Pink and purple, pink and purple, when you Johnny give. Here I am.
Next question. What have you learned about life from kids? What exactly? Meaning, you see them grow up now, and them kind of say some stuff, or them do something, and them don't know how to go be like now, because you did want to say, I would be up. Yeah. Me personally think them teach me to appreciate the time we have growing up, enjoy it.
That's true. I see.
What's the worst hairstyle you've ever had?
Twist up with elastic. I hate that thing.
Seriously?
I used to love twist up my hair with elastic. I'm never used to like give myself a styling and my own style.
Me used to eat it. I get hairstyle goes to come far big. Then the hair comes to and we go far big. So always I look about when I go far big.
Listen to the worst hairstyle I have. Guys, look at sister in the area have a normal size type of head. And them cane rate goes so, then go down so. I didn't hate it. What's the most recent show you've binge watched?
Binge watch?
I'm currently binge watching Blind Spot. So
I am very late. Grace Autumn, yes, sir? Yeah.
Is that not a
Great, yeah.
You have been watching that yourself for them,
Grace?
There's something early. I'm going to say,
what do you know?
what fictional characters have you had a crush on over the years?
None.
Seriously?
Just a fiction.
I know these days, I love them off in that show.
Oh, yeah.
Love. I'm going to think I'm going to choose character from Teen Wolf.
Like the one
I'm going to love Close, I'm going to love
Did I show the name
Close
again?
from the originals, and I'm going to love Derek from Teen Wolf.
Maybe like Eddie Duran. I don't remember what I showed the name now. Eddie Duran coming now.
Are you most thankful for life itself and the people that it comes with? Not even the people it comes with, but the good people where it comes with. I don't want everybody. Yeah. What is your idea?
Subscribe, guys.
What is your idea of a perfect vacation? Anywhere that is tropical. What's your perfect vacation? That's why we are.
Alright, my perfect. I would really love like to go to like Rio, so that'd be my one. Cause Rio with my stuff. Rio be the best stuff that can meet me.
Wait, your 5-star hotel.
When you
I
travel
just
for
every hour one of them.
can you have a beach and a pool? And nice view.
I love you.
I love that for you. Do you judge a book by its cover? No, I do not.
Never you do that.
Do you judge a book by its cover?
Not me.
Never do that.
I don't think it's best to judge the book by its cover. Because you so fun where people actually can something, but not judge them. Do you want to have kids one day? How many?
Yes, I would love to have kids one year. 3 until I felt the pain. Narrow it down to 1.
I think 3, 2 or 3.
You get that girl and a boy. You thought there's something to think one boy and
Oh.
one girl.
Because I'm more.
Don't take out my notes on my phone. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to click that post notification bell where you can see whenever I post a new video. Bye.
Bye.